Book about eclipses, solar and lunar eclipses, and viewing eclipses safely. It is a nonfiction book, so we're going to learn lots of new facts. Chapter 1 is about solar eclipses. On August 21st, 2017 was an exciting day. People waited to view a major event. They wore special sunglasses to protect their eyes. Why? There was a total solar eclipse that day. People across the United States watched. The sun appeared smaller, then it vanished. What causes a solar eclipse? The Earth, Moon, and Sun travel along paths in space. These are called orbits. Earth orbits the Sun. The Moon orbits Earth. When their orbits line up, an eclipse occurs. The Moon moves directly between Earth and the Sun. The Moon casts a shadow on Earth. Did you know solar eclipses are not rare? The Sun, Earth, and Moon line up often. This happens about once every 18 months. And there you can see the different orbits of Earth and the Moon. And this is what it looks like when they line up. The shadow made by the Moon is called the umbra. People in the path of the umbra see a total solar eclipse. The Sun is completely blocked from view. It is very dark. Around the umbra is a lighter shadow. This is called the penumbra. People in the penumbra see a partial eclipse. Parts of the Sun are still visible. During a solar eclipse, you can still see the Sun's corona. Why? The ring of light is part of the Sun's atmosphere. It is usually hidden by the Sun's bright light. Did you know? Total solar eclipses don't last long. Why? The Moon is moving along its orbit. The 2017 eclipse lasted longest in Tennessee. It only lasted 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Chapter 2, Lunar Eclipses. Lunar eclipses happen too. These happen when Earth comes between the Moon and the Sun. Earth casts a shadow on the Moon. Usually, the Moon looks white. Why? Sunlight reflects off the Moon's surface. During a lunar eclipse, the Sun's rays refract or bend around Earth. The light looks different. The Moon looks red. Partial lunar eclipses happen too. How? Only part of the Moon passes through Earth's shadow. During partial lunar eclipses, part of the Moon seems to disappear. Did you know? Eclipses are visible from the Moon too. During one, Earth is ringed in a red light. Chapter 3, Viewing Eclipses. Lunar eclipses are safe to view. Just look up at night. You can use a telescope to view them too. If you want to watch a solar eclipse, have a solar filter or viewer ready. Why? The Sun's rays are very strong. They can damage your eyes. Do you know when the next solar or lunar eclipse will be? Research to find out. There are many amazing sights to see in the sky.